Ever wonder why some people seem to have it all together while you're struggling to keep up? In this eye-opening video, we'll reveal the secret luxuries that truly successful people give themselves. And they don't cost a dime. If you don't watch till the end, you might miss the most surprising luxury of all, one that could completely transform your life. Ready to unlock your potential and live your best life? Hit that subscribe button now and let's dive into the 10 priceless luxuries you can start enjoying today. 1. The power of authenticity. Dressing your truth. Being true to yourself is a luxury that money can't buy. In a world obsessed with appearances, the real power lies in embracing your authentic self. Imagine walking into a high-powered business meeting in your favorite comfortable hoodie, exuding confidence because you know your worth isn't determined by your outfit. This is the luxury of authenticity, being unapologetically you, regardless of societal expectations. 2. The freedom to say no, choosing your own path. Sometimes, the most liberating luxury is the ability to decline seemingly great opportunities. Picture turning down a lucrative job offer because it doesn't align with your values or saying no to a glamorous party to spend a quiet evening at home. This luxury allows you to prioritize what truly matters to you rather than being swept along by others' expectations. 3. The art of self-accountability, crafting your own destiny. Taking responsibility for your actions and their consequences is a powerful luxury. Imagine starting your own business, facing challenges head-on and celebrating victories, all without needing external validation or structure. This self-made framework for success allows you to chart your own course and reap the rewards of your efforts. 4. The oasis of mental peace, finding stillness in chaos. In our hyper-connected world, the ability to find mental peace is a true luxury. Picture yourself meditating in a quiet corner of your home, completely disconnected from the digital noise. This mental oasis allows you to process your thoughts, make clearer decisions, and approach life with a balanced perspective. 5. The joy of creation, bringing ideas to life. The luxury of creation is about transforming your imagination into reality. Envision yourself painting a masterpiece, writing a novel, or building a unique piece of furniture. This act of creation not only satisfies a deep human need, but also allows you to leave your mark on the world in a tangible way. 6. The thrill of the unknown. Embracing new experiences. Allowing yourself to step into the unknown is a luxury that keeps life exciting. Imagine taking a spontaneous trip to a country you've never visited, without researching it beforehand. This openness to new experiences keeps your perspective fresh and your life filled with wonder and discovery. 7. The richness of new connections. Expanding your circle. The luxury of making new friends throughout life keeps your social world vibrant and diverse. Picture yourself at a cooking class, striking up a conversation with someone from a completely different background and forming a lasting friendship. This openness to new connections enriches your life with fresh perspectives and shared experiences. 8. The comfort of your sanctuary. Creating your perfect space. Designing a living space that truly reflects and supports you is a priceless luxury. Imagine coming home to a room filled with your favorite books, art that inspires you, and furniture arranged for your comfort. This personal sanctuary becomes a place where you can fully relax, recharge, and be your most authentic self. 9. The satisfaction of progress. Continuous self-improvement. The luxury of personal growth is about constantly striving to be better. Picture yourself learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or improving your fitness level year after year. This commitment to progress keeps life exciting and fulfilling as you continuously expand your capabilities and knowledge. 10. The contentment of maintenance. Enjoying what you've achieved. Perhaps the ultimate luxury is the ability to maintain and enjoy the life you've created. Imagine reaching a point where you're truly satisfied with your career, relationships, and personal growth. This luxury allows you to savor your achievements and focus on the quality of your experiences rather than constantly chasing the next big thing. If you're intrigued by the prospect of living a life filled with these priceless luxuries, your journey doesn't end here. Our previous videos tackle even more surprising ways to achieve personal fulfillment and reveal the unexpected twists and turns along the path to a truly luxurious life. Ready to transform your perspective and unlock a world of self-given luxuries? Click the link in the description to access our exclusive free guides on mastering the art of personal freedom and unlocking the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Your future self will thank you.